If a is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and if a to r is a function defined by f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1, then find the range of f. Range of f is defined by set of all positive values of f of x for x belongs to a. Here f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1. A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Also take x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3 and x is equals to 4. Now if x is equals to 1, f of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, that is equals to 1 by 2. Now take x is equals to 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is equals to 4 minus 2 plus 1 by 3, that is equals to 3 by 3 is equals to 1. Now take x is equals to 3. Then 3 square minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equals to 9 minus 3 plus 1 by 4. 10 minus 3 is equals to 7 by 4. Now take x is equals to 4. Then f of 4 is equal to 4 square minus 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 is equals to 4 4 is 16 minus 4 plus 1 by 5. 17 minus 4, that is equals to 13 by 5. Therefore, range of f is equals to the values are 1 by 2, 1, 7 by 4 and 13 by 5. 1 by 2, 1, 7 by 4 and 13 by 5.